What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, another video. Today we're going to do our third great value bag video. Oh yeah. No, they come out really cool. They're super easy, and you could do these at home with your kids. You could probably be blind and do these. You don't even need eyes, I don't think. But yeah. So I just got titanium white here, gold, fluorescent orange, and a light green because my beautiful wife asked me to use green and orange. She loves these colors together. I put a little white on the bottom because that'll be the first thing that comes out of the bag. It'll offer a little bit of contrast. But other than that, I'm not really thinking at all about how I'm putting these colors together. Yep, you just take it and you just dump it and have fun. The sound effects make it look prettier at the end. But you gotta make the sound effects. I didn't do it on that one because it was an accident. There you go. Now it's gonna look pretty. Let's use the last bit of green or gold out of there. Yeah. And then I'll churn a little white through. Wow. Alrighty. And we're basically ready for the magic right now. Let me just see where the two pieces are. Just pinching the end of the bag so it's square, and then boop, cut it and just let it pour. This one's not pouring the same way it did in the other one. The other one had two bands of color coming out. Caught it. I might have made too many sound effects. Sometimes if you make too many sound effects, it doesn't come out right. But no, those colors are actually nice together. Got a lot of sharp lines, a lot of orange. The white is in there. I know it is. Right, I'm just trying to manipulate it so that that center vortex portion is in the very middle. So when I spin it, it will go. All right. Yeah. I think we're already ready already. And just a light spin. Oh yeah. Came out really nice. Wow. Yeah, there's a lot of cool lines. I needed to be a little more careful cutting the bag because then it would have came out in two streams, almost like a kiss pour like the last one. But it still looks really cool. It's got some really cool lacing going on the sides here. Very sharp and defined edges of the lines here. It's almost like a straight pour or a ring pour. Very similar. Dang, let me get you guys down here to check it out. I love it. What do you guys think? This thing has so many little details going on in the center. Got some really cool lacing, especially towards the outside edge over here. Then there's all those feathery lined patterns, like a sliced agate. I love it. If you want to watch another video just like this, click the screen right now and I'll see you there.